Hi guys, we are test driving Renault Traffic, which came in with the DPF issues, EGR issues. Now the problem has been solved. And what would you like to say about your vehicle? How is it driving now comparing to the before?
Much different. It was very sluggish beforehand. It's very responsive. It's very quick. It's just like it's like a new vehicle. It's just got much more life in it. It's like it's been woken up. I must say, you know, my mechanic Ez, he put me in contact with Errol, and I wasn't too sure to begin with, but I took his words for what he said to me, and I'm pleased I did, because the problem's been cured. No more problems. He's been very fair with me, been very honest with me. So I would advise anybody that has EGR or DPF problems to come and see this man.
Thank you. So overall satisfaction?
Five stars.
5 stars. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to get in touch with us, you can contact us on 07533 636 194 and www.supremedpfcleaning.com. We are located in Bromley, Kent. Thanks for watching.